If you have paid the membership fee, that means you have access to a premium account, which gives you unlimited access to all the advantages the Mooxye platform brings, including the free features as well. Now you will have access to all men's and women's PSAs from the spot you have chosen, as well as the new additions for a complete year. You also have access to all filtering options, adding to the previous ones new filtering options such as level of competition, family's estimated budget, recruiting agency, and position. Let's give it a go this time with a male soccer player who is trying to start his studies in fall 2020, who cannot afford to pay more than 10,000 euros, and who plays as a center midfielder. Let's click on search. And here you have all the available options from different recruiting agencies and with all the information as well. We will be updating plenty of new profiles more within the next weeks and months, and you will be notified every time a new PSA comes up thanks to the premium users alert system.